Hey guys, welcome back to The Techie, and today we'll be showing you the tutorial for the portrait sketch effect on PicsArt. First, select the image of your preference and cut out the image using the cutout option on the app. When you're done, use the brush and erase tool to refine the edges so that the cutout looks more clean. Save the cutout. Now go to Pick Canvas under Drawings and select the square white background. Add in the cutout image and click on Done. Now adjust it as per your preference and save it when completed. Here, use the saved image and add in the sketch effect to it. After completion, go to Tools and select Adjust. Now begin adjusting your image as per your preference and click on Done. After that, go to Draw, and in the Layers option, add in a photo layer. Here, add in your previously saved image and click on Done. Then select the eraser and adjust the size, opacity, and type of the eraser according to the instructions on your screen. So start erasing half of the image so that the effect behind it comes through. Now that you're done, add in some effects to make your image pop. Click Done and your image is ready. So that's it for the portrait sketch effect tutorial on PicsArt. Thank you for stopping by at The Techie. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.